Jason here with Penguin and Panda. Going to run you through another video. This one is going to show the Game Trayz samples that we received for the game. So that's exciting. We already have it packed out here. So as you see, as I open the box, the rolls sitting on top, very nice and flush to the top of the box. And then we have the top tray filled with all of the wooden deluxe components. Of course, if you're getting the standard or the retail game, these resources will be tokens, and these wooden blocks will be, if you opted to not go with these will be the standees. So the cardboard standees will be here. They are interchangeable with the blocks in this space, so that they work out to be the same size. And so we have the resources in the top 8 sections here, the big guys and then the smaller guys. We have over here the leaders expansion leaders, if you are getting that expansion, the leader meeples. And then just below we have a space for the suspicion trackers and the score markers. Just like that. These guys came out nice. And below we have the first player marker and the round marker, round tracker. And then we have all the students below. And then just underneath this tray will be the bottom tray, the base tray here. And let me kind of remove some things, and you can kind of watch as I remove, but we'll kind of go through it step by step. For the most part, came out nicely done. So the top 3 spots here are for the cards. We have all the cards in here. So these are the mission cards for from the Resistance, Rise of the Resistance expansion. These are the family cards here. All the restriction cards here, including expansion cards, and then all the repair cards here, including expansions. And these will fit in here sleeved, not a problem there. All these spaces are made to fit sleeved cards. And then down here we have the Disciple and or Master cards, as well as the War Effort card. Same size, kind of acts like a Disciple, if you will. And all those are fitting here in this little section. Of course, in Game Trayz fashion, we have the whole tilt to pop the cards up like this. Also, there's a little finger slot up here as well. Tilt to pop up. Works out. And then down here is a finger slot to get these guys out. Although it does have a tilt as well. A little harder to, it's deeper, so. And then the leader cards from the Leaders expansion sit up here. So as you can see, there's enough space to have more missions in the future, or just space for the cards. And then there's some extra space here too. So let's see. Okay, so here we have the punchboard coins, and these will also fit the metal coins as well, the new size of the metal coins. Caveat there that the metal coins, I guess it was an oversight, but they are a little too big to fit in this section, so they're getting resized, and they'll be made to fit in here in place of the cardboard tokens. Okay, let's get into the spots here for the location boards. Let's see, the first, the bottom are the 2 location boards for the family cards and the repair cards. This is the commons and the workers' quarters. I believe, yeah. So anyway, those just fit here like this, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit. It kind of butts up against this section here. And then on top of that, that will fill this whole section will be the other 4 location boards that are of the same size. Of course, 2 of them are going to be upside down because of how they are flipped. And so those will fit like this. And again, it comes up to the next level. And that's where the player boards will go. So right in there like that. Brings us to the next level. And we will do the board from the Rise of the Resistance expansion, the Resistance board. And that goes here in this slot, covers up the coins. Keep those nice and secure. And this next part, this is something that is getting corrected at the moment, but for some reason, this next section was left out of the sample, even though the mold file itself included this working, if you will. But I think it was because this temple board, the Panda had it at a different size or something. I'm not quite sure what happened, but they left out the placement of this board, which is supposed to go here like this. It's supposed to have a little place here and a place up here and a place here for it to fit, and the tray would come up another tier, so to speak, once this is placed, and then the round board will go on top. But as it is now, that got missed, and now the round board, you can see here the places for it here and there, and now it's secure here, and so that goes on top. And as of now, this just kind of sits here, which is kind of fine, but it still has some moving around and wiggling going on, and we really don't want that. So Panda is correcting that, getting that fixed. Second tray goes on top. Forgot to mention here, so you can whatever bag that you have coming to you, whether it's the one with the print or just the basic bag, kind of tuck it in this little spot there. And the second tray goes on top. Roll book, you can put the expansion roll books in there as well. And then you are good to go. Everything fits very nicely and worked out well, aside from that one temple board kind of mishap there. And like I said, they're getting that corrected now. We will see some pictures of the change, and they'll send out a new sample from that. And so we'll keep you updated on that and let you know what's happening. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.